Hi, this is from Cloud System WLL is a Qatar-based comprehensive IT solution provider that cater the requirement of Qatar's growing IT needs. With a professional approach, our range of experience spans across IT networking, IT consultancy, structured cabling, enterprise resource planning. Our product name is MEHRM, which stands for Money, Material, Equipment, and Human Resource Management. This is the login screen of MEHRM. MEHRM can support multiple company, multiple branch, and multiple financial year also. We can log into the main screen by clicking on OK button. So the software will be look like this. The ERP look like this. Uh, this ERP contains accounts, inventory, purchase, sales, production, recruitment, HR and payroll, workforce, fleet, rental service, cargo service, service management, project management, asset management, repair management, broking, hospitality and real estate management also. Here we can go through each and every module. First I will show the accounts module. This is the accounts module. Each module is divided into three sections: master, transaction and a report. We can look to the transaction. The master form means we will enter the data only one time, and throughout the lifespan of the ERP, we will be using, or rather we will have been using this master data throughout the life of the software. First, same like all other software, this is the account groups. Each and every entry form contains two sections, one the entry section and the another one is list section. Whatever we have entered in the entry sections will be shown in the list section. We can go to the list section. In the list section, here we can see the chart of account. The chart of account is divided into four sections: asset, expense, income and liability. We can create a number of group. We can create unlimited groups ledger. We can create unlimited general ledger. We can create unlimited sub ledgers. Here, to create one customer or to edit anything, we can go to the customer and then we can give some data information, something like that. For example, demo, uh, and just click on save, then this will be saved. This is account group master. This account group master contains 5 elements like group ID, group name, short name for and the parent group. Under to which group this customer group is belong to which group, that we have to give here the parent group of the current group. And the next form is ledger account. Ledger account, same like before. The entry section contains account ID, account name, short name, parent group, remarks, search key, account number, opening balance, and so on. And also, if we have multiple branches, we don't need to create each and every chart of account under each branch. Just we need to create only one account in one under one branch and just click on the create linked button. Create linked account for branches. Just if we click on this button, automatically the all account heads, the similar account heads will be created under the all branches. If there is 100 branches, 100 chart of account will be created automatically. Here we can make a test. For example, air ticket. It's a ledger account. This ledger account comes under HR expenses. Each and every employee is considered as a cost center. So when we issue the ticket payment, the ticket payment will be accumulated and will be bigger and bigger, and we cannot identify uh, actually to whom we have issued these tickets. So, for example, in the profit and loss, or sorry, for example, in the trial balance or some other places, when we check the amount, when we check the air ticket total amount, it will be maybe 200,000 or 300,000 or 500,000, but we don't know to whom we have given this amount. So in such a situation, we can give just while we define the account ledger like air ticket, just we need to click on the cost center applicable checkbox. Then automatically while we pay the payment voucher, this will be tracked there. For example, we can select a date here, from which account, from commercial bank, on account voucher, check date 26th. We can select the group HR expense. We can create the air ticket. We can give the 1000. Then automatically this will ask the cost center. Here, this 10,000 real can be distributed to many people. 1,200 real for one person, and for example, we can give here a vehicle expense. Sorry. This check tire account will be defined as a this account we have to select as a cost center here, then save, then go to the payment voucher. Just we need to give the 1,000 real automatically. So we have to close and take it again. it will ask the cost center. Here we will give the vehicles, and each vehicle will come there. 200 real for this, and vehicle, here we can give 100 real. Then for vehicle we can give 700 real and finish. Click on OK. Just we can make the check payment, and if we need the pay name, we can give the pay name also. Now to select on account voucher, just click on. Here also multiple branch will be shown there. If we have multiple branches, we can enter the multiple branch account simultaneously. Here we have no any branch, so we will save it. It will be saved. So this is the payment voucher. So I was just explaining how the cost center is working there. And the next is cost categories, which stands for cost category master. We can create cost categories like salaries, vehicles, manpower, projects, so many vehicle categories we can create, and also cost center also we can create here. For example, if it is a vehicle, we can create multiple cost center, and cost center ID, cost center code, cost center name, cost category, parent cost center, opening balance, and so on. Here we can see n number of, it means unlimited cost center we can create, unlimited. It will be shown in the tree structure in the form also. And next the currency master, we can define the currencies here inside the for example Qatar US dollar. We can create the US dollar as the currency here, and we can also create Qatari real as the base currency. Then the conversion rate also we can give here, and this exchange rate used for defining the exchange rate of the foreign currency. This will be useful when we make the interstate purchase. Foreign purchase if we make, it will be useful, because once if we purchase some items from US or from China or some other places, we will be paying in US dollar. So to know what is the amount in the base currency, just we need to go to the report and pull out the report only, it will be shown there. And this is the payment voucher transaction, the payment voucher that we have given here. We can make payment voucher by using this. If it is a sundry payment, then automatically purchase invoice will be there. We can create one, we can give the supplier name here, supplier or subcontractor, whatever it is we can give, and the ALCO also is a supplier. We can give the amount here, the 1000 or 100,000 we have given, and if we double click here, we will get the purchase invoice details also. For see the sundry payment list here, the all invoices of the Abdullah Al Jaida and Sons, Abdullah Jaida Sons invoices will be shown here. It will be shown here, all invoices, and the all invoices will become there. All the invoices will be there, and we can give the date. We can have the date will be there, amount will be there, the due amount will be there, write off we can give the write off amount, and the amount also we can give, and we can check here whether if it is against any opening balance. We just need to click on the is opening. So after that we can go to the narration. This is the narration. We can give any narration here. After that, if we need any document to be attached against this, we can give here. And this is the payment voucher. And the next one is receipt voucher. Receipt voucher is same like payment voucher that we are using this receipt voucher for receiving the money from the customer side. Here also we can give this. We have received 500 Qatar from ABC Trading, like that. If we need to receive some amount from some customer, we can give the bank receipt to Qatar. If it is bank receipt, we have to give the bank date, check date here, and just click on the summary receipt, and customer will be automatically shown there. Then we can select the customer there. The amount we can give here. See, it will be shown the all invoices here, and we can give the amount here and narration. Then we can give the branch also. If it is against branch, we can give the branch also, to which branch it should be posted. And this is the journal voucher. The journal voucher is actually used for entering the account informations other which we have not used in payment voucher or receipt voucher or contra voucher. All other double entry system will be entered here in the journal voucher. This is the journal voucher. We can uh, post the amount to any branches, and we can make the attachment also. And the next one is contra voucher. Contra voucher is used for cash to cash, bank to bank, bank to cash, and cash to bank. This all these four types of entries should be done in the contra voucher. And next one is check clearance. This can be used for check clearance. Once the if we give the details, if we give the details here, we can when the checks from the bank is cleared, we can click the option button clear, then save. Automatically this will be tracked there, and the bank reconciliation is also there. We can get the Excel file from the bank, and just load the statement. Click the load statement. Automatically the Excel file will be shown to the will be listed here. This part, this side, it will be listed, and against this we can give the check the all we can reconcile the all accounts against this, and we can match whether it is okay or not. The bank statement and our statement is okay or not. We can check it, and we can go to the reports, account books. Account books is actually we can select here any books, any group head here, and we can number of elements are here. Display particular with the account name, narration, include opening balance, check date, amount, check number, various project, various elements we can select here, and just click on preview. Then we will get the the report will be looked like this. We can take the profit and loss as on date, condensed or detailed, or vertical or T model. Both model will be supported here. If we check show details, all details will be shown. Show cost center details also to be shown, the cost center, and the subcontractor detail consideration if you need, it will be there, and including opening balance. This is the profit and loss account here. This is the profit and net profit. This will be later transferred to net earning. Retained earnings. It will be transferred to retained earnings account. And we can see the trial balance. It also contains so many elements. If we click project details and the cost center details, this will show the trial balance. The total amount will be shown. Credit, debit will be there. And for what purpose we have spent this amount will be shown here also. This is the trial balance used here. And the format can be changed at any times according to the requirement of the customer. And this is the balance sheet. This is the balance sheet. Here it will be shown. This is the difference. So the next is other reports. The important cost center report also here. PDC collection issue report is also here. Daybook is also here. Group statement is also here. And one more advanced report is cash flow statement. This cash flow statement is also previous. The cash flow statement will be shown here. Net cash. The cash flow, the net cash, this amount will be tallied to the cash statement of our account. And the next part is inventory. It contains unit master, category master, item size, item color, warehouse, and so many things are there. We can go to the item master. The item master contain, same like before, several entry list and entry form and list form. In the general section of this form contains item name, item code, parent category, short name, parent, other, so many things, so many elements are there. Tax, if it is taxable, then it can be taxable. In the near future, Qatar will charge the customers tax. Each and every item will have a tax. So it is very easy. If once if you implement, you don't need to customize it. You can use very easily using this. And also you can define, if for example you can define the supplier name also here. For example, if if one item is provided by supplier A for 10 real, supplier B 11 real, supplier C 12 real, supplier D 9 real, like that we can define the all items here and give the each and every supplier name also here. How many supplier, for example, one item we can give. Here we can enter the supplier name here. See here we have defined for supplier. We can set the image here. We can give the reorder level. Reorder level will be automated. You don't need to give any reorder level here. If you need, you can give, but automatically our software will fetch the reorder level. It will find out the reorder level based on the transactions and everything. Our system will evaluate and analyze. Our system will analyze, make an analysis to the transaction. Based on this transaction analysis, we will set the reorder level perfectly automatically. And the pricing method also we can give here. Average, two to three types of pricing methodology are there. First in first out, last in first out, and average, weighted average. Any pricing method we can give here, then automatically the system will fetch the pricing method from here. If we have not given here the pricing method, automatically this will take the first in first out method. We can give the cost price here. Automatically this price will be updated from the purchase, and the minimum price we can set. It means a salesman cannot sell the product under the minimum price, and we can set the maximum price here. It means the salesman cannot make any sales more than this maximum, and we can customize it also. It means we can dynamically we can set it in the option button also. Retail per price also we can give, wholesale price also we can give, and any other prices are there we can give. And the discount we can define a particular, for example, a particular item has any particular discount, we can define it here, and we can set the image also. And what is the usage of this multiple purchase supplier definition in the item master? The benefit of this defining this supplier in the item master is, while we prepare the quotation, and while we ask the LPO to the, while we send the quotation to the suppliers, we can send the supplier multiple n number of items, n number of supplier. We can send the quotation to n number of suppliers. The send mail, automatically it will be mail there. It will be explained in the supplier module. We can give the opening stock here. What is the category, what's the item, what's the unit, discount, quantity, unit price, expiry date, bonus quantity, everything we can define here in the opening stock. Automatically this will be shown. There's no any, like this will be shown like this. And this is used for stock adjustment. Sometimes most of the companies, sometimes the warehouse physical stock and the software stock may be differed because of some stock damage or something, some scenarios we may be facing. In such a situation, we can make the stock adjustment entry by using this form. Item pricing. We can make the item pricing in each and every, for each and every purchase here through this. Once if you do this, the item pricing will be overridden the price list of the item item master. Already we have defined that that will be will be overridden here. And also we can make the retail price we can define here, and the batch, which batch we need to give the price listing, and the margin we can set, barcode, wholesale price we can set, other price we can set. And the barcode, if we need to automate, then automatically the barcode will be printed. And if it is manually we can set the barcode printer. And the x and y coordinates can be used in the for barcoding and printing it. Number of copies, for example, for barcode printer, if we need more than 3 items, or 4 barcode printout if we need, then we can use this for barcode printing, everything. And this is price list. For example, we may have some certain customers who have a price list that we have already defined. Already defined price list may be there. In such a situation, we can define, for example, carry for, we are providing some items to a carry for a certain price. Then we can make a price list here, like a price list 1 or price list ABC, something like that. We can give a name and give the category, the item, which item we are going to sell for which price. like that we can give, and n number of items we can do like this. After that, once the customer, when we select the customer, we can select this price list there. It will be shown, it will be explained in the customer module. This price list will be automatically populated in the customer list, and we can select the customer list there, sorry, the price list there. Then while we invoice the customer, automatically the same price list will be shown in the sales. It means the salesman has no much effort to give the sales price. Already the sales price is given in the sales price list, like that. If we need any price list updations, we can give here. Price list update, we can give any price list update, we can give here. Select the customer and the item, then we can just update the list. It will be automatically updated. And store receipt entry, store issue and store receipt entry, we can use this store issue entry to transfer the items from warehouse to showroom. Once if we make the store issue, then the store receipt should be done inside the showroom. So, and this is the stock transfer entry. This will be used for transferring the stock from warehouse to warehouse or warehouse to showroom. Here we have so many reports are there. Detailed stock statement report, we can just this report is a complex, very complex report, and a lot of items are there. That's why it's buffering. Uh, this is the information detailed here. The quantity in, quantity out, and the stock. What's the balance? 230 items are there. Finally, it will be shown. The list will be shown like this. And the very important advanced report is advanced inventory report. This is the advanced report. This report is actually a forecasting report. This report is a forecasting report which shows the inventory turnover ratio, days sales of inventory, and lead time, safety stock, reorder level, and economic order quantity. All will be shown here. This is a very crucial report for the management side. They can make so many decisions based on this report. They can under this reorder level, the purchaser has no any headache to arrange the reorder level. Automatically this will make the reorder level and safety stock items, everything. And there is so many reports are there, and we can go to the purchase. And here this is the purchase module, which contains supplier master, purchase category, requisition and RFQ entry, RFQ response, quotation inwards, purchase order, purchase order for production and goods receipt note, purchase entry, and credit note, other invoice payable, purchase expenses, and so many things are there. First, I will explain about the supplier master. The supplier master has the entry list, which contains three tabs: general, document, and previous bills. The general tab contains supplier ID, supplier name, contact person, supplier code, and so on things. And use existing accounts. It means if we have two supplier or three supplier, this all the three supplier are branch of one company and they are using one supplier account, then we can define the use existing account here. Only one each and every once if you do the purchase from each and every three branches, all purchase account will be consolidated to the existing accounts. Opening balance we can give here, the credit limit we can credit period we can define, and credit limit we can define. Once if it reach the when it comes to the reach of the limit, it will notify us. And we can select the price list. Here is the things we have to we have to think about the price list. See the price list, we can select a price list here. So once after selecting this purchase, for example, after selecting the purchase supplier, we select the price list here. Automatically, when we request for the quotation, the LPO, the local purchase order, will be sent by using based on this purchase list. But we have defined a purchase list, and we have not selected. We have defined a purchase list for a supplier. But at the same time, while we send the LPO, local purchase order, we have defined the price in the local purchase order. There is a difference. This price list is actually different than the price list that we have defined in the price list. In such a situation, the price list we have given in the local purchase order will be overridden the price list we have defined in the supplier master. And we can give it the join date of the supplier type also. We can define which type of supplier: item supplier, manpower supplier, trading supplier. So many supplier category we can define: a plumbing material supplier, sanitary supplier, wood supplier. So many supplier list we can define here. And the document section, actually the document name we can give here. Whatever the documents we can give to the here, and the document number we can give here. Issue date we can give, the expiry date also we can give here. This automatically this will send a mail to the management staff that this document is going to be expired. The deal of the supplier will be careful, like that we will get the notification. And the document status also we can give if it is record, then just click on check button, then this will be record. If you have collected the documents, then check on the collected button, then it means the collected documents is in our office. And the previous bill settings, this is once if we implement a software in a company, we can give the all previous bills of that supplier here. The previous bills, invoice number, invoice date, invoice amount, paid amount, pending amount, so and so on, so things we can give here. And the purchase category, we can make many purchase category, like supplier, which type of supplier is the sanitary suppliers or a wood supplier or a grocery item supplier or a dress supplier or whatever, or a toothbrush supplier, what type of supplier they are, we can give the type of the supplier. And the workflow of the purchase is start from really from the requisition entry. If the company is a contracting company or a construction company, the requisition should be raised from the sites, construction sites. So the requisition of the engineer, for example, a product is needed or a item, a material is needed in the site for a project, a particular project. So if there is a shortage, the engineer will notify this, the engineer will, or the supervisor will raise the need of materials, and they will raise the requisition entries. Once if they raise the requisition, this will go to the next level. We can approve different type of approve settings, approvals. For example, press Control A, then we will get a option button here, option button. Here we have give the, we can set the approver here in the inventory. We can give the set the approver here. Inventory approvals, we can give the approval here, number of level. If it is 2, we can give 2 persons. If it is 3, we can give the 3 persons. So once the approver, after setting the approver, the once the requisition is raised by the engineer, his immediate boss will get the notification that he needs so and so things. Then they can provide the, for example, like it is rejected, or they can if the immediate boss of the engineer can approve it. If once the immediate boss of the engineer approve it, it will go to the purchase department. Like that, we have the design is going in that manner. We can attach document also, we can remove the documents also. And also the RFQ entry, once the requisition is happened, the RFQ entry will be happened there. For the RFQ entry, just we need to select the RFQ number only, then automatically the item under the RFQ will be automatically come there. Or the RFQ entry raised from where requisition from where employee, if it is employee, the employee name will be automatically come there. If it is from supplier, then automatically supplier name will come there. If it is from some project, then automatically the project will come there. Like that means the inquiry number also will come there. If it is a project, sometimes there may have some inquiry number, so we can select that inquiry number, is that then automatically the inquiry will be for populated in the requisition. After that, we can just auto fill the supplier list, then the old supplier list will be automatically filled there. Then just send a mail, click, it will automatically just we need to type the supplier name also, supplier at so and so company, just then send a mail. This will automatically send to the old suppliers, the old LPO. We don't need to take the printout, then scan it, then send to the supplier as an image, or take a printout and send to the go to the fax and send it as a fax. No need. It is we have maximum make it made it simple to for the purchase department. After the RFQ entry, after the RFQ entry, it will go to the RFQ response. It means we will have so many quotations. We will have so many quotations from the suppliers. We can gather, we can collect the all quotations, and we can evaluate and analyze. After that, we can give the all quotation details here, and we can make the RFQ response. After making the RFQ response, we can go to the suppose some RFQ response. So what we have given already here, the RFQ after giving this RFQ response, we can save it, and this will automatically go to the purchase order, which is the RFQ number 4. The purchase order, actually, it is the crucial form where we are asking the supplier to send us so and so things. Here, just we need to select the RFQ number, then the all informations under this RFQ number or RFQ, or we can select this RFQ response, no problem. RFQ response, then automatically the all information under this RFQ response will be populated there. It means we need to enter the information only in the requisition entry or only in the RFQ entry, either requisition or in the RFQ. After that, we don't need to give any entries in any forms. Only one time we need. After that, just we need the number, then automatically the informations will be populated there, so the operator have enough flexibility to do the thing. So he will have a lot of time, he can benefit a lot of time by doing so. And also here, purchase order contains purchase voucher and a purchase order number we can give. Due date we can also mention here, when it will be due. So we will have the notification regarding this. Then here is the PO template. We can define different template to different purchaser, because sometimes the printout format of supplier A will be differed from supplier B. Supplier B will be different from supplier C. Supplier C will be different from supplier D. In such a situation, we can make multiple LPO templates, and once if we define the templates, automatically the templates will be populated in the PO template files. Once when we are going to issue the LPO, local purchase order, then just we need to select the purchase, then automatically the template will be ready there. Just we need to save and take the printout. Automatically it will come in the printout in the same format. And we can also select the shipping mode, which is the shipping mode, so that we can track them. And also we can give the terms and conditions. What terms and conditions against this purchase we can give here. And also we can select to which project actually it is coming. The purchase, the LPO can be different projects may be there. We can select it in that manner. And also if we need to give some other informations also, we can give in the remark. And the currency also we can select. If it is a dollar, then dollar will be shown there. The amount will be what is the amount we have paid will be shown there. And what is the expense regarding this, that also we can give here. Expense type, we can select the expense type here. And also we can give the direct expenses categories. For example, this is also we can give the expenses. And also we can combine the PO, the purchase order we can combine. It means we have a project and we have issued a different LPO. This LPO we can combine to one in this as a single and send to the supplier as a whole in one time. And this is the LPO. And after the LPO, we can go to the purchase order, goods receipt note. The goods receipt note is actually when the stock comes, goods receipt note will noted there. When the goods receipt note happen, we can define the direct expenses here. What is the freight, what is the job cost, and what is the vehicle rent, whatever the expenses regarding this purchase we can define here, and we can distribute these expenses to the item. Automatically the expenses we have spent for that particular PO or for that purchase or for that goods receipt note will be distributed to each and every item based on the total amount or the total quantity from this number to this number, from this number to this number, like that it will go. And we can also define whether we can detect the stock, we can add the stock while it happened the, for example, in the purchase, uh, detect stock, in the inventory detect stock, use inventory detect stock, add stock during purchase entry or goods receipt note. Either this goods receipt note entry or purchase entry we can use. Once if you click on the goods receipt note entry button, then once the goods receipt note happen, the stock will be added. Or once if we clicked on the purchase entry button, then the stock will be added when the purchase happen. It is also easy for the user, because there may have a lot of scenarios, item will come, bill then later will come. Sometimes the bill first will come, then item will next time will come. So first time we bill has to affect the account, item will not affect the stock. Sometimes the item will affect the stock, sometimes the bill, it will not affect the stock accounts. In such a scenario we have to opt the option button there in that manner. And this is the supplier credit note, this is the supplier form. Same like the LPO, we can give the all informations there. The price list also we can give here, then automatically the price list will, price list we have given there is uh, overridden this purchase. If we are not clicking this use price list, then the price list we have given here will be triggered. Here we can give the invoice number, vendor name, account, amount, different account, invoice number we can give here, the date we can give here, vendor name we can give here, the account number we can also select. Alco Freight Abdullah ABC company is the, what is the account name? Any account we can freight charges, and the amount also we can give here, 100 and 2000 to 120 100 120, and some memo field also we can give here. Lot of things we can give, the currency add to same invoice, and the expense distribution also we can give here. Distribution can be given to from one first row to 10th row, then 11th row to another, means in that manner different type of direct expenses we can apply to the items purchase. And here it's also the shipping, we can track the shipping, purchase order, shipment, trading. See, this is the shipment, PO from date, PO to date, estimated time of estimated ETD from ETD to, and ESD from ESD to, estimated time of arrival, estimated time of departure. Like that, the purchase order number and the payment status, shipping due, document, shipment status. Also, we can give here. We can track the shipment also. This is the purchase report. Invoice date, invoice number, supplier, purchase order number, purchase type, item name, and the number of quantity, its price, total amount. Everything is shown here, and we have given a lot of other criteria. We can select a particular supplier, we can give a particular purchase order, we can give a purchase reference number, we can give a party invoice number, we can select a warehouse number, purchase type also we can give here. And this is supplier invoice aging analysis. The supplier invoice aging analysis also can be available here. This is the supplier aging analysis. And some other also lot of reports are item wise purchase, category wise purchase, project wise purchase, purchase costing report, invoice settlement report, requisition registry report, purchase order registry report, item wise purchase registry, category wise purchase registry, not invoiced purchase order, pending purchase order report, GRN register, item wise GRN register, category wise GRN register, missing GRN report, not invoiced GRN report. And the next one is sales. The sales, same like the purchase, it start from the customer master. Defining the customer master, we can define the customer master first. Same like the purchase supplier, we can define the customer here. All his informations can be give here. His document, his document is given here. His previous bills also give here. What is his previous bill? The customer maybe they are liable to give us so many amount. We can give the invoice number there, the invoice date there. So whenever the customer asks us which invoice number against which invoice number we need to settle this amount, we can tell them this is the invoice number we have invoiced to you. Like that we can give the all information from the even from the new software. And we can define the salesman here. His all informations can be given here. The salesman, his document, his carrier details, every information can be given here. If we have not defined this, it will be automatically taken from the HR, employee master. Sales category we can define. Document status, enquiries, and the sales actually happen from the enquiries. Two types of sales are there. Project wise sales are there, and जो trade wise sales are there. The project wise sales actually happen from the enquiries. We can give an enquiry here. Based on that enquiry, how many items we need to use, that also we can define here. And who is the salesman of that enquiry, that also we can give here. To which customer we are doing this, or to which project we are doing this, everything we can give here. Later the quotation entry we can prepare. Once if we make the quotation entry, we can select the enquiry number there. Once if we select the enquiry number, automatically the information from the enquiry will be selected there. But if we have no any enquiry, we are directly doing the quotation entry for a trading, then we don't need to select the enquiry number there. When the validity also we can define 30 days. If it is 30 days, okay. If it is 40 days, then 40 days we can give. Use the price list also we can give here. After that, we can give the select the warehouse, from which warehouse the item is going, from which warehouse the item is going, from which category, from which item, everything we can give here, and then send to the customer. And next is the sales order. In the sales order, same like purchase, the sales order we can, if it is against an enquiry, we can select the enquiry number here or the quotation number here. Then automatically the quotation details will be shown there. See, all the information will be available there. Any remark if we need, we can give. Notes we can give. Use price list. If there is a price list, we can give. Customer PO date we can give. Delivery date we can give. Customer PO number we can give. Lot of information we can give here. Later it will be helpful to us. After generating the sales order, we will go to the sales invoice. Here we have to remind one thing. We don't need to make the entries in each and every form. Just to only one form we need to make the entries, either in inquiry or in the quotation. Once if we do it, then the all informations will be available by just clicking the inquiry number or the quotation number. It is the sales form. To which customer we are going to make the sales. MCV training. What we are going to do. Delivery note number if they have, some we can select it. Sales order number we have, then we can give it. Then sales category we have, we can give it. If we are selling to any villa project, any project, then we can select the project. So the sales will be tracked by the project base also. If we are selling anything through our branch, any department, We can do that one also. We can select the account balance of the customer will be shown there. Use price list will be also will be there. If it is a cash sale, just click on the cash option button. If it is credit, then just click on the credit button. It will also automatically the default can be set in the control option. Discount it will be given here, the commission, the net amount, everything can be given here, and then the sales will be happened. This is the customer debit note. Whatever the say services we are going to give to the customer other than the sales can be given in the customer debit note. Delivery note. The delivery note actually happening, we will deliver the items, but we will not the accounts will not be affected in the accounts master. In such a situation, the delivery note can use. The delivery note is same like the invoice, the sales. We can use the uh, delivery note for delivering the items. Once if the delivery not happened, then the stock will be deducted from the stock. The account will not be affected. It can also be desired from the control option button, whether we need to affect it, or the stock deduction from delivery note, or sales from delivery note, or delivery note, we can define it there also. Then based on this it will act. If any free issue is there, we can give the free issue. Lot of information we can give here. Purchase invoice number we can give here. GR number, if we have means against a particular purchase we can make the delivery note. Means directly, sometimes the purchase shipment will be directly to the customer we can give. In such a situation we can track the such a sales, means it will not come to our warehouse. Instead of coming to our warehouse, it will go to directly to the customer side. In such a situation we can track the purchase number also here. Sales return is also here, and point of sales also here. We have a point of sales. This is the point of sales. We can use this point of sales for this. Sales return also here we have sales return. Once if you select the sales invoice number here, automatically the items will be populated there to be returned. Here is a lot of reports are there. Sales report, sales detailed report, monthly sales report, sales order based report, customer invoice aging report. Lot of reports are there. I will show just the aging only. It will take too much time to finish the all modules, and it will be frustrated to see the all. See, here is the aging report. Okay. And some other reports are not invoice sales order report, not delivered sales order report, not invoice delivery note report. So many reports are there in the sales department. Quotation sales status report, everything is there. And the next one is our HR and payroll. The HR and payroll, this is the menu. Employee type master, employee category master, lot of masters are there. We can just go to the employee master. Uh, this section is actually, the employee master is divided into uh, 8 sections: general, document, career, qualification, family, asset, opening balance, employee accounts, like that. Here the general section actually include all the general information of the employees. The general tab contains, if the employee comes through the our recruitment section, then the application number can be selected here. Then the employee ID, a lot of information regarding him, a lot of general information regarding the employee can be given him. Photo can be set here, his bank details, IBAN number, his mother tongue, and also his language. Lot of information we can give here. In the document section, we can select his we can define the document master. In the document master, we can define the document, and the defined documents will be listed here. We can give the things and document number, everything, and issue date and the expiry date also. So the expiry date will be shown in the notification like this. Just click on this red button, then automatically this will come here. The missing documents, document expiry, item expiry, leave request, everything will be there. If any document expiry, then we can just click here, or then we will get a information like this: some visa is expired. Then if you click on the visa expired, then the how many people information will be there. If we need to change his information, then it will be gone there. See, we can give his informations here: document renewal entry, then close, then save, then it will be renewed. So this is the document master and employee master. In the document section, the career section, we can give his join date, his department, his designation, employee category, and his report, his hourly, his grade. What is his grade? We can select his grade. His grade we can select. See, pay scheme, automatically this pay scheme will work there. And hourly rate also give here. BP we can give BP, SOT, OT payment method, SOT formula we can give, advanced OT applicable we can give. Lot of informations like that we can give. His discontinuation type, remark, supplier, and camp. Lot of informations are there. Contact details, flight informations, ticket allowances, contact job, ticket allowances, rules like that. And also we can give the qualifications of the employees, his course, his institute, university, start date, end date, percentage of mark, number of blockage, everything. And experience also we can give here, and the certification also we can give here, and his multi-set skill set also we can give here. For example, a mechanical engineer, maybe an electrical engineer, he may be a sound engineer. We can give the all skill set here, and we can use that according to the requirement. And here the employee's family status also we can give here: the relationship, the gender, male, female, date of birth, contact name, email ID, residence, Qatar ID, and everything we can give here. And we can also, once an employee came to our company, we may be giving so many uh, items to him. Maybe we may be giving to him houses, cars, and laptops. So many items we may be giving. We can track the all belongings to the employee, which is the asset of the company. And if any opening balance is there, we can give here. Employee accounts also we can manipulate through this is the employee master. And the next is employee remark. We can give the remark category, remark type, reward distribution type, document status master, document issue master, remark file type master. Lot of visa pool master also we can give here. By giving this, we can track the visa pool. How many requests we have made, how many approval, what is the profession, what is the nationality, what is the capacity, and sponsor. Everything we can give here. Based on this, we can track the visa pool. And HR expenses master, we can define the HR expenses master here. HR expenses type ID, HR expenses type name, HR expenses account name. We can give the opening balance. We can give is it is fixed or period daily happening. Then we can click on daily. Then if it is fixed, then fixed. For example, visa fees is a fixed for fixed one something. If any recurring daily happening expenses there, then we can give the daily happening and a linked pay head to if we need to link the account to HR expenses account to any HR expenses account, then we can link that account to the HR expenses. Sorry, link pay head and set valuation rules also we can give here. For example, the rule maybe expiry, visa renewal, maybe renewal expenses maybe recurring, maybe repeating each and every year. Then we can like this. We can give yearly 1,200 real. We can give, then automatically this will be tracked there. And if it is from the company, the amount will be gone from the company. If it is from the party, then it will go to the supplier. If it is from the employee, then automatically this will go to the employee cost center. And working shift, we can define the working shift here for from which time to which time the employee is working. We can define the pay headmaster. We can define the pay headmaster here, will be shown like this. A leave scheme also we can define here. Based on this leave scheme, employee leave rules will be activated there. Vacation leave rules, ticket allocation also leave we can define here. What is the vacation leave rules? From which period to which period he is going, how many days allowed, leave salary for that period, is it daily days based or percentage based, maximum cumulative limit, what's the cumulative limit, maximum leave days with permission, eligible from a month per renewal period. A lot of informations we can save and utilize with this information software. Leave type also we can define. Then biometric machine, we can define the biometric machine. Once if we install the biometric devices, automatically the fingerprint information will be taken from pull up from the finger machine to the our server, and it will manipulate, and you don't need to give any hours informations, employee working hours. You don't need to give in the system manually. It will automatically populated. And the accommodation information also we can give here. Employee loans, we can define here how many types of loans we will be issuing to the employee. Holiday of entry we can define here, and a shift allocation we can do here. From which from 8 to from 6 to 2 o'clock, this much employee. From 2 o'clock to 6 o'clock, or 8 o'clock or 10 o'clock, this much employees. Like that we can define the shift. Employee remark also we can set here. The promotion also we can set here in the employee complaint request remark and memo entry we can give here. If any violation, traffic violation or anything there, we can give here. And the attendance and biometric device we can give here. Define leave entry we can give here. Leave request, leave entry approval, daily leave entry, leave request. Once if an employee need a leave, he can request the leave in the software like this. If it is full day, half day, morning time, then how more afternoon, like that he can give. Link this leave with his leave scheme also. And ticket details, if it is annual leave, then we can link that annual leave with the ticket. Actual return date we can give. Get exit permit also, then automatically the information will go to the mandub or the public PRO to take the exit. Daily leave entry also we can give here, like so and so employee is absent, so and so employee is sick, so and so employee is no duty, so and so employee is no site. Lot of information regarding this we can give here. Now automatically when the payroll generate, it will come there. This is the document renewal entry. That's as we have seen before. Through this, using this document renewal entry, we can renew the documents. HR expense also entry also we can give here, so that the accountant will have a lot of time benefit. Document manage for employee, or the bulk employees document management we can do through here. And employee loan advance refund payroll payment entry we can give here. If it is a loan, then click on the loan option button. If it is refund, click on the refund button. If it is payroll payment, then click on the payroll payment. Then we can give the voucher number here, remark payroll to all. Payroll liability account we can also select here. Then that account will be selected. Then payroll number also we can give here. uh, this also it's a searching criteria. And if it's a payroll processed request autofill employee list, then automatically the list will be populated there. Employee information will be there. There is no any employees inside. The employer name will be there. And this is the payroll generation screen. Post payment voucher, process to current branch, proceed to current branch. If we are not check ticking this checkbox, this will not be posted. This is the payroll process entry. This is a payroll process entry. We can select the employee here. The whole employee list will be populated here. Each and every employee, the his earnings, allowances, employees statutory contributors, leave details, his loan advances, employee statutory deductions, everything will come there. We can generate the payroll processing based on the department. We can process it based on destination. We can based on category and employee also we can do this. Salary time sheet. Is a salary time sheet of some employees. The details will come here. Each and every day how many hours he has worked, all information will be here. And if there is any absent vacation, with the all Friday will be shown on the red color, and all the holiday will be shown in the green color. And if he is sick, it will come here sick. If it is any other, it will come here sick. Then absent will be come there. The payroll mode we can monthly or a period wise also we can do this. And the informations we can take from the time attendance machine also. And this is the employee settlement form. We can make the settlement of employees here. What is the informations regarding his settlement? Reference number, process date, employee name. What's the select this, then all his information will be give here. His settlement can be Yeah, here payment details will be shown there, loan deduction will be shown there, asset will be, all informations will be automatically there. Gratuity, everything, even the gratuity we don't need to calculate it, the system itself will calculate the gratuity, and each and every year it will post to the gratuity account, employee gratuity account. There are a lot of reports are there, employee master record report, lot of document reports, HR expense report, payroll reports, lot of are there, and a camp accommodation report, ticket allowance report, document report, missing leave, everything is WPS. And this WPS salary transfer report is also there. We don't need to generate in the Excel and send it, it's the system itself will send the salary account. It will automatically export to CSV format, and we can send to the labor department. And here also employee list designation wise, multi-branch salary split report. If we have multiple branches and we have and the salary is processed from one branch to all others, then the multiple branch is split of the salary will be shown here. There is no any data regarding this, so it will not be shown. And the next one is project management. BOQ components can be defined here, and project master, we can set the project here. The limit, estimated amount we can give, alert limit we can give, stop limit we can give, actual cost we can give, enable mail and actual cost will automatically come here. And the project members, how many members are employing in that project, project contacts, who is the contact person, payment method, how much percentage after, even after after constructing or after doing the projects, how many percentage we will get. If we have given that project to a particular subcontractor, his information can be given here, and opening balance of that project also give here, cost opening balance also we can give here. And this is the project scheduler. Using this project scheduler, we can define the project scheduler. BOQ preparation also we can give here. For the demolition purposes, we can make like this. If we need some export to Excel, it can be export. Layout settings, we can make some layout setting also, we can give here bold or something like that we can. And some export, if we need to export to the Excel, and we can export, we can import from Excel to this BOQ also. And this is the resource estimation management. We can select one project, then we can estimate the resource management. For example, project member name and project member role, what is his description and quantity, how many quantity we need, rate, and everything we can give here. Labor, how many labor we need, how many equipments we need, how many, what is the rate, year hourly rate, and daily rate or monthly rent or daily rent we can give here. Materials also, how many materials we have used to that project, and other also things other also there. We can give all information, so that we can understand the all information regarding that project. Resource consumption also there. For example, the resource consumption for the demolition project, how much information we have, how much equipment we used, how many materials we used, all information will be there. From which date from which date to which date it was happened, actually all informations can be given here. And project invoice receivable, we can make the project invoice receivable from the subcontractors or the contractors or the clients. It can be give here close. We will get the project cost evaluation report through this. Cost analysis report also we will get. like this. Job cost report, you can select a job, show details, and give preview, and we will get one report like this. Project usage cost report, item issues report, lot of things are there. And also we will get one report, project analysis report, cost comparison report, project cost comparison report. Yes, no customer, you have to give the feed the data, otherwise that's why it's showing like this. This according to this report, we will get a report something like this. uh, Anyway, it will be shown the correct analysis, because project A how much we have spent, project B how much we have spent. Lot of informations we can compare the report like that. And this is the asset management. Asset class we can define. Each and every year what is the depreciation of this account will be tracked there. And asset master, through the asset master we can define each and every items there. And where is the location, who is the supplier, every information can be given here. Local type master, we can define the local type master. Locale master, the asset purchase entry can be given here. Asset depreciation entry can be given here. Asset allocation entry given here. Go to which, because we have a lot of buildings and we have a lot of flats, and the furniture and all every items what we have purchased to the particular flat or building can be tracked through this here, the allocation entry. Asset register report, asset depreciation report also can be there, and asset stock report also will be there, and a lot of things are there. Asset purchase report also will be there, a lot of information will be there. And the next one is the real estate management. By using this real estate management, we can define the tenant, means who is hiring the building. We can give here in the building how many rooms are there. The tenant information can be given here in the guest. We are considering him as a guest. His all information can be given here, his document, his family details, his assets, everything can be given here. And the room, how many rooms, the number of rooms we can define here. And the rooms can be defined here, which room, which building, what is the code, the room associated with building number 1, executive room, like that we can define the rooms, so that we can understand in a building how many executive rooms are there, how many executive families are there. And housekeeping checklist we can define here. See, bed linen, this checklist we can create here. Work status and housekeeping rules also we can give here. Clean, dirt, finished, pending, all information is given here. Housekeeping rules, see we can give the housekeeping rules here. Toilet cleaning checklist, what Sunday, who has done the toilet cleaning in Sunday or Monday, Tuesday. And repeat the schedule type also we can give here. We can define this in the master from there. Lot of informations we need there. And there is a lot of reports based on this are there. So this is the applications we have shown you. Actually we have shown you, but really we we have not shown the all informations, all modules, all features we have not shown here, because this will be too much time consuming, and this all over the software, if we need all over the software, if we need to make a video, it will take minimum 5 hours, 5 to 10 hours it will take. So that's why we have shown this demo in a short format. Lot of informations and features are there. So we are concluding here that this application is used by around 40 clients in Qatar. um, different modules also used by different clients, and this application actually developed in a Qatar itself only, from many other places. So we have the all engineers here and all the supporting center here. Thank you very much for seeing this demonstration. Thank you.